Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are reviewing Samsung's 2023 model soundbar, Q800C. Let's look at the design. The Q800C is sleek, minimalist, and feels premium. This is a 5.1.2 channel soundbar, which means you've got 5 surround sound speakers, 1 subwoofer, and 2 upward firing drivers for Dolby Atmos. The soundbar supports Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. The Samsung Q800C soundbar comes equipped with a variety of ports to ensure flexible connectivity options. It includes an HDMI in and HDMI out EARC port, allowing for seamless connection to your TV, gaming consoles, or other HDMI-enabled devices with support for high-quality audio formats like Dolby Atmos. Additionally, there's an optical digital audio input for connecting devices that use an optical cable, and a USB port for firmware updates. The soundbar also features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling wireless streaming from compatible devices. These ports make the Q800C versatile for different home entertainment setups. The Samsung Q800C soundbar can be easily controlled using the SmartThings app, providing a convenient and intuitive way to manage your audio experience. Through the app, you can adjust sound settings, switch between different audio modes, and control connected devices all from your smartphone. The app also allows you to fine-tune the EQ settings, check the status of your soundbar, and integrate it with other smart home devices, creating a unified control center for your entire entertainment system. But what if you don't have a Samsung TV? Don't worry, it still works perfectly with other brands. And if you do have a Samsung TV, you get the Q Symphony feature, where the TV speakers and soundbar combine for even more immersive sound. Another standout is the subwoofer. This 8-inch sub packs a punch. The bass is deep and rich, but not overpowering. The subwoofer is designed for flexible placement, allowing you to position it anywhere in the room according to your convenience. It requires only a power cable, as it connects wirelessly to the soundbar, making it easy to integrate without any extra cables running across the space. This placement flexibility lets you optimize bass delivery to suit your room's layout. The Samsung Q800C sound system can be upgraded to a 7.1.4 channel setup by adding Samsung's 9500S model rear speakers. These rear speakers are designed with tweeters on top and a front-facing speaker, enhancing the surround sound experience by delivering rich, immersive audio from multiple directions. The setup is easy and convenient, requiring only a power cable, while the connection to the soundbar itself is wireless, making installation simple and clutter-free. With the 9500S rear speakers, the Q800C soundbar creates an even more dynamic and theater-like experience right at home. Alright, now let's jump into the sound test. We'll be playing a variety of clips to showcase the Samsung Q800C's full range, from powerful bass to crisp highs, and everything in between.
I can show you how to have a good time. Just don't go looking for a good time. I like to run things from my mouth. I'm that guy you told me. find a way, but I'm lost in the grind. Every day I wake, I put on a brave face, but deep down inside, I'm just searching for grace. Can you hear me calling out for something more? Every step I take, I'm knocking on the door. Life's a journey that I want to explore. I'm just trying to find what I'm really here for. The nights can be long, the silence is loud. I question my path, try to make my fam proud.
Silence, you gon' see me everywhere. Creeping, timing, yeah, my flame is burning red. All the things you've been, baby, I'm hot like a burning atmosphere. Hot like fire.
The verdict. The Samsung Q800C is an impressive soundbar, especially considering its price point. It delivers a rich, immersive audio experience with the option to upgrade by adding rear speakers for a full 7.1.4 surround sound setup. The soundbar performs well across different audio modes, making it ideal for movies, gaming, and general listening. However, if you're a bass enthusiast looking for deep, powerful lows, this might not be the best choice, as the bass is balanced but not overly intense. For most users, though, the Q800C strikes a solid balance between quality, features, and expandability, making it a strong contender in its category.